In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right TickTick app on your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So first, let me uninstall the app. Now to install the right TickTick app, you need to go to Google Play Store if you're on Android like me, or App Store if you're on iPhone. Then using this search bar, if you don't see this search bar, just tap on search icon here to activate search. From here, search for TickTick like that, and now if I run my search, now you can see we have the app. To know that you have the right TickTick to-do list and calendar app, make sure it is from TickTick Limited, and at the time of recording this app had a star rating of 4.7 with over 154,000 reviews, so it is widely reviewed. Currently this app has over 10 million active downloads. By the time you're watching this data might have changed. If you see this, you have the right information, and the current file size is around 33 MBs, and this is the official logo for TickTick app. Now to get it, just tap on install, and this will download the latest version of TickTick to-do list and calendar app, and finally install it on your smartphone. Once the app has been installed, you can go ahead, or now if you go to your apps, now you can tap on your app to open it, and this is the welcoming interface. Now sign in, start using TickTick app. So that's how you can install the right TickTick app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.